Welcome to EducAgent Studio, where a crew of AI agents help us teach, and you learn with ease. Here's the problem we'll solve today. We have a 9x9 Sudoku matrix S. Each row, column, and 3x3 block contains 1 through 9 exactly once, and the all ones vector x. We'll compute Sx, then figure out exactly which row permutations keep the Sudoku property, and finally which swaps of entire 3-row bands still work. Multiplying S by X stacks 9 dot products, each row dotted with the all ones vector. Dotting with all ones just adds up the row entries. In a Sudoku matrix, every row is a rearrangement of the same 9 numbers. So every row sum is the same, 45. Since every row sum is 45, every component of Sx is 45. That means the all ones vector is an eigenvector of any Sudoku matrix, with eigenvalue 45. Swapping, reordering rows is the same as multiplying on the left by a permutation matrix P. This just changes the order of rows. Nothing inside a row changes. If we permute rows, each column's entries are the same 9 numbers, just in a different order. So the column rule contains 1 to 9, automatically survives any row permutation. The tricky part is the 3 times 3 blocks, which are built from groups of 3 consecutive rows, called bands. Each band contributes the rows for the 3 blocks across that band. If the rows landing in positions 1 to 3 come from different original bands, a 3x3 block can end up mixing rows that weren't designed to form a valid block together. To guarantee the block property stays true, each band position must be filled by an entire original band. So the safe row permutations come in 2 layers: shuffle inside bands and shuffle the bands. Inside a band, any reordering keeps each 3x3 block made from the same 3 rows, just rearranged. Each of the 3 bands has 3 factorial ways to reorder its rows, so that's 3 factorial to the power of 3. Then we can reorder the 3 bands in 3 factorial ways. Multiply them together. 1296 row permutations always preserve the Sudoku structure. Now we focus only on swapping whole bands as single units. Since blocks are defined band by band, moving whole bands keeps every 3x3 block intact in structure. There are 3 bands, so there are 3 powers equals 6 ways to permute them. Every such band permutation keeps rows, columns, and blocks valid. First key result. Multiplying by the all ones vector returns 45 times that vector. Second key idea. Row permutations are only guaranteed safe when they preserve the band structure. Permute inside each band and permute the bands. That gives 1,296 structure-preserving row reorderings. And swapping whole bands has just 6 possibilities. Watch the next video to learn more, where we'll explore other Sudoku preserving moves and connect them to symmetry and linear algebra.